Hey everybody, what's up? Physical therapist Dr. Ryan Whelton. So I just did a video showing how I had this guy that a patient that had like severe back pain. Like he said it was for years and he couldn't even like get out of bed. It took him like an hour, it took him, sometimes he said like 10 minutes just to be able to stand up when he got out of bed. Like it was that bad. And a lot of it was severe arthritis. And what I did is I changed his diet and I did a detox, and he, in like a week, it was like 70% reduction in pain. And then the rest of it is tightness and all these other issues. And he's, almost totally better. In fact, I just saw him today and he's like, I think he says he's down to a 1 out of 10, and he was legit 10. Like he walked like he had wet clothes on. Like he was just kind of like Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. He was in so much pain. So somebody commented on my last video and asked me how I do like the diet, like how I talk to my patients about diet. And it's kind of like this, like not a sticky subject, but like kind of like a subject that you have to present it a certain way, because nobody wants to change their diet. Nobody does. And if you try to have someone change their diet and you tell them, I need you to change your diet for good, they're not going to do it. Compliance, they just literally just say, yeah, it's not going to happen. Or they say they're going to do it and they never do it. So what I do is I say, I need you to do a whole food, non-GMO, organic juice fast for 3 days. So like just juice, like food, like fruits and vegetables, and like put it in a juicer, buy it at Target, $50, spits out the juice and the pulp, whatever, and drink that for 3 days. I say you're gonna feel like you get the flu because that's all like the crap coming out of your cells. But so that will like reduce the inflammation in your body. So inflammation causes pain. So if you take an anti-inflammatory, you feel better. Why? Because inflammation is causing pain. So if you detox the inflammatory markers out of your blood, then you feel better. So 3 days of that, and then I say switch to a whole food, plant-based diet, organic, non-GMO. And so no meat, no fish, food that comes from planet Earth. I said, think about 2,000 years ago what they ate. Take away meat and fish, eat that. No processed food, no meat, no fish. You can eat nuts and, rice and beans and whatever, right? And I say, just do it for 3 weeks. Now that's key, because when I said I want you to change your diet, nobody wants to do that. And in fact, especially the older people that have arthritis are not interested in doing that. So there's like almost no compliance. But what I say is you can do it for 3 weeks. Anybody can do it for 3 weeks. And literally 75% of them will keep it up. Like they just feel so good, So I say, basically a vegetarian diet. If they can do vegan, which is great, but a vegetarian diet. And it works great. It works great. That's how I do it. And, this whole detoxing thing with the diet is, I say it works. I tell my patients about 90% of people, it's like a miracle. Like they have severe arthritic pain and boom, in a week after they do the detox, like they're feeling a lot better. So anyways, that's what I do. Keep the questions coming. If you have any other questions for me, let me know. Okay. Have a good one.